Now in this prelim and question numbers 1 onward. Now 1 to 5. Now these are based on boxes, isn't it? Now boxes were given in general and keep these boxes at second priority. Boxes along with the parameter is also given here, isn't it? And it must be under the second priority. Now let us start with this one. How many boxes are there altogether? 7. Now 3 boxes in between C and F. If C is here, 1, 2, 3, F will be here. 5 boxes were already covered. Now if F is here, 1, 2, 3, C is. Maybe C is before or above or below this F. And next one, neither C nor F is placed at the top or the bottom. Hence, one is at the top, one must be at the bottom. Now here the order is finalized, isn't it? Then either B or F contains books. Now which contains books here? Either B or F contains books. Either B or F contains E or F. Now either E or F contains books. Either E or F contains what? Books. And the box contains mobiles are placed immediately above C. Now box contains mobiles is immediately above C. Now these are the mobiles which are immediately above C. Immediately above C, the box that contains mobiles. Immediately above C. And as many boxes above the box contain mobile, below bottles. Above mobile and below bottle equal. Now here above bottle 1, 2, 3, 4 and below bottle there must be exactly 4. Must have been the bottle and this one. And below bottle, one of the box contains cups. D is placed just above pen. Now D is placed just above these pens and D and pens must be together. Now if pen is here, D will be here. Pen here, D, pen here, D. There are 3 different possibilities and pen here, D. 4 different possibilities. As of now, we cannot touch with this one. Neither F nor C contains pens. F and C pen is ruled out. F does not contain pen, this does not contain pen. Then what are the other possibilities? Now pen is here, D is here. Pen is here, D is here. Still there are 2 possibilities. And neither F nor C contains pen. Now here, then pen cannot be here. Pen cannot be here, isn't it? Then next one, pen cannot be here. And pen cannot be here. What is the only possibility we have? Pen must be exactly between. If pen is here, D is here. Now here we have got one possibility, isn't it? Then let us work out this one, then let's move on to the other thing. And B contains watches. Now B contains what? B contains watches. Now B contains watches. B can be either at the first or at the last. And 3 boxes between E and bottles. Now between E and the bottles there must be exactly 3 E's. Now if E is here, B watches must be at the top. Now B watches, isn't it? Then next one. And G is 3 places above bag. G is 3 places above bag. The only possibility G is at this place and above bag, 3 above this bag, E is bag. Now if E is bag, E cannot be books, hence F is books. Now if F is books, then what is the only thing left over here? Cup. Now cup is here. One of the boxes contains cups. And which is left over? A is left over. Now this is about question numbers 1 to 5. The next one 6 onwards. Now 6 onwards, 6 to 8 it is based on sequence. How many alphabets are there? It is talking about a letter which are immediately followed by digits and immediately preceded by symbol. And the sequence must be symbol, letter and a number. What is the sequence we have? Symbol, letter and a number. Now in this symbol, letter and a number, now symbol, letter and a symbol, letter and a number. This is one such a case. And next one, symbol, letter but not number. Symbol, letter but not number. Symbol, letter is ruled out. And that's it. And how many are there? There is only one of such type. Choice for question number 6. Then 7th one, if all the symbols are dropped from the above arrangement, which of the following element is 8th to the right of you? 8th to the right of you without the symbols. And without the symbols, 8th to the right of you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is your answer here? 4, that is choice to question number 7. And 8th one, 4 out of the following. Now 4 out of the following comes under which category? Odd one out. and yarn H and Y. Yarn and H 1, 2, 3 plus 3. And H and Y, H and Y tell me how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 3 minus 5. A 2 and at the rate of. A and 2, what is the difference here? 1, 2, 3 plus 3. And 4 and 7, what is the difference we have? 4 and 7, 1, 2, 3 plus 3. M and S, what is the difference? 1, 2, 3 plus 3. And E and dollar, now E and dollar, what is the difference? Here only plus 3. What is the odd one here? Choice 5 is the odd one, question number 8. Then, once you have found this, then find out the first elements only. Isn't it? Across the answer. And if in case it is not happening, then the second element. Okay. And coming to question number 9 to 11. Now 9 to 11, it is based on certain number. Now certain number, am I first priority or the second? As of now, box is already on second priority lo pettukunnam. Hence it must be first priority. Then, and if that has been done, then this must be kept under the second. Because the numbers more than 20. Hence it can be under the second priority. Then here, and then for T shifts forward to the right of B. And all these persons are facing towards which direction? North. And T shifts forward to the right of B, B is here. Then T shifts forward to the right of B, 1, 2, 3, T is here. T is forward to the right of B and two persons between B and X. In between B and X, how many people? There are exactly 2. Now X can be towards left hand side or X can be towards right hand. And two persons between B and X. D sits second to the left of X. Now D is seated second to the left of H. Only two persons sitting to the right of H. And only two persons are sitting to the right of H. The next one, as many in between T and D equals to M and E. As many in between T and D, same as M and E. And R sits to the immediate right of T. Where is this R? R is to the immediate right of T. The next one, three persons between R and M. M who does not sit immediate to B. And three persons, 1, 2, 3, M cannot be here. 1, 2, 3, M is to the right hand. 1, 2, 3, here again, M is to the right hand side of R. And three persons. And only one person between M and D. M and D, there must be exactly one person. Then if you take D at this place, and H is second to the right is not possible. Hence D cannot be to the left hand side of M. Hence D is here and H is here and there are only two persons to the right hand side. Then again coming back to this one, here in between M and D, only one person between M and D. M and D there is exactly one person and see again D is here and H is here, there are two persons. As many persons to the left of E and R sit to the left of it, in between E and R. Now T and D equals to M and E. Now T and D, how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 persons between T and D. And M and E we need to have 6 people. And 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B must be this. Now here T and D. Now here in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And T and D, M and E we need to have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. M is at this. And T and D, M and E. E must be at this place. Then E is here and sit to the left of it. Now how many, as many persons sit between E and R? E and R, how many people are there? 2 people. And sitting to the left of X, there are 2 people to the left of X. Here there are minimum 3 persons, this case is clear? And finally we have left with only the first case. And this is about 9 to 11. The next one 12 onwards. Now 12 to 15 and it is based on set of numbers. First and the second digits are interchanged. What if the resultant is the second digit of the lowest number? Now first and the second are interchanged. Then which is the lowest here? Now what is the last number? 257. Now this is 257. Now first and the second are interchanged means now this 1 will come to the first place. That is the lowest number. second digit of the lowest number. And what is the second lowest? Second digit 9. Is divided by and second digit of the largest number. Largest number 244. Now this is a 5. 5 is coming to the first place, that is the largest. 2 is going to the next place. 9 by 2, 5.4.5 choice. Then 13th one. If 1 is subtracted from the third digit of every odd number and 1 is added to the third digit of every even number, then how many numbers correspond will be divisible by 3. Now divisible by 3, then what is the divisibility rule for 3? Sum of the digits must be divided by 3. And if it is an odd number, then odd minus 1, even plus 1, irrespective of the position of the digit, whether the first or the second or the third. Then 8 plus 2, 11 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 1, 12, it is divided by 3. Are you getting this one or not? Then next one. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 9, 18. Minus 1, 17, not divided by 3. Now 3 plus, and next one. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 7, 14 minus 1, 13. Not divided by 3. Then coming to this even numbers. Even numbers, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1, 14. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1, 15. Yes, it is divided by 3. And so many numbers are there that are divided by 3? There are 2, choice 1, question number 13. Then 14th one. Now in this question number 14, all the digits are arranged in descending order within the number. Which of the following will form the largest number? Now the numbers are arranged in the descending order. Hence, now which is the largest number here? Obviously 9 will be the largest, isn't it? Because that is the first digit which is coming to the first place, and 914, choice 1, question number 14. All the digits are arranged in the descending order, then which of the number will form the largest number? Largest number is obviously 940. 941. 941. Now that one we are getting from 914, right? 940. Yes, we have another thing. Yes, 940. Now we have one more number with 9 and 945, that is choice 4. 14 choice 4. And 15th one, what was the resultant number is the first digit of the second highest number. And second highest number, and what is the second highest? 8 number. 8. Now first digit. What is the first digit? 8. Is multiplied with the third digit of the lowest number. Lowest number 846. Third digit is 6. 8 into 6, isn't it? Now lowest number 257. Now 257, 7. 8 into 7, 56 choice. Then next in this one, question number 16 to 20. Now here, how many persons are there in this one? Now 8 persons are seated in 2 parallel rows. Definitely under the first priority. Only 4 persons in each of these rows. Now A, B, C, D like this. And who are the other persons here? P, Q, R, S like this. And only one person sits in between P and S. In between P and S, how many? There is exactly one. A sits to the immediate right of the one who faces S. And Q sits second to the right of the one who faces C. One person C does not sit immediately. Then let us start with the possibilities here. And one person between P and S. Now P or S will be at any one of these 2 places. And there is one such a possibility. And in the second case, now P and S can be second and the fourth place. What's P and S. Then only one A sits to the immediate right of the one who faces S. Now if S is here, S opposite immediate right must be A, not possible. Hence S cannot be at this place, P is here. Now if P is here, then S will be here. And opposite to S, immediate right hand side, who is that person? A. And again, in this case, S is here, A can be here, S is here, A can be here. Isn't it? Hence 2 possibilities are still existing. A sits to the immediate right of the one who faces S, and Q sits second to the right of the one who faces A. A's opposite second right is Q. Isn't it? Then P, Q, R will be here. And only one person between C and D. Now C and D, hence B must be here, and C does not immediate to A, that cannot be, that is completely ruled out. Isn't it? Because C must be immediate to A. Hence as this is ruled out, then what is the next possibility we have? Next in this possibility, now there are 2 different possibilities for this P and S. Now, Now there are two different possibilities. If you take S at this place and P here, there is one such possibility. Then S is here and P is here, and S opposite immediate right hand side is A, isn't it? And now between only one person between C and D, and D is here, C will be here, and B will be here, and C does not immediate, and only one person between P and S. A sits to the immediate right of the one who faces S, and Q sits second to the right of the one who faces A, and PQ or SR is. Then now this is about 16 to 20. The next one 21. Now in this 21, convocation, and if it is possible to make a meaningful word with 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now NV80. Any word that can be formed here? No, no word can be formed here. And that is Z as your answer choice to question number 21.